Space may be the final frontier, but the world of flight simulation is pretty darn close. Today, we're going to explore the cutting edge of aviation technology, from virtual cockpits to real-world challenges. Buckle up, space cadets, it's going to be a wild ride. One of the most exciting developments in recent years is Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. This isn't your grandpa's flight simulator, folks. This software uses cutting-edge AI and machine learning to create a stunningly realistic experience. We're talking about detailed aircraft models from tiny Cessnas to massive jumbo jets, all rendered in exquisite detail. But it's not just about the visuals. Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 also boasts incredibly realistic flight physics and weather systems. You can experience what it's really like to fly through a thunderstorm or land in a crosswind. And with its career mode, you can work your way up from a rookie pilot to a seasoned captain. As impressive as flight simulators are, they also remind us that real-world flight systems are incredibly complex. And when those systems fail, the consequences can be significant. Let's take a look at a couple of recent examples. In December 2024, American Airlines experienced a major system outage during the busy holiday season. The culprit? A network hardware issue with their vendor, DXC Technology. This outage caused widespread delays and cancellations, leaving thousands of passengers stranded. Then, in February 2025, the FAA's NOTAM system, which provides pilots with critical safety information, experienced an outage. Fortunately, a backup system prevented a complete shutdown, but it still resulted in delays and highlighted the vulnerability of our aviation infrastructure. These incidents serve as a stark reminder that even with advanced technology, things can still go wrong. And when they do, it's crucial to have robust systems in place to minimize disruption and ensure the safety of everyone involved. So how do we make our flight systems more resilient? Well, it starts with investing in modern, reliable technology. The FAA, for example, needs to continue its efforts to modernize its aging infrastructure, including the NOTAM system. Airlines also need to prioritize system redundancy. That means having backup systems in place that can seamlessly take over if the primary system fails. Think of it like having a spare tire in your car. You hope you never need it, but it's good to have it just in case. But technology is only part of the equation. We also need to invest in training and support for the people who keep our skies safe. Air traffic controllers, for example, have incredibly demanding jobs, and they need the resources and support to do their jobs effectively. While we marvel at the technological advancements in aviation, we must never forget the human element. Behind every successful flight is a team of highly skilled professionals, from pilots and co-pilots to air traffic controllers and ground crew. These individuals face immense pressure and responsibility, making critical decisions that impact the lives of hundreds of passengers. Their training, expertise, and ability to remain calm under pressure are essential for maintaining the safety and efficiency of air travel. As we continue to push the boundaries of flight technology, it's crucial that we invest in the human capital that makes it all possible. After all, even in the age of advanced automation, it's the human spirit that keeps us soaring to new heights.